La 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 la, la la, oh oh oh.
Good morning, Penny. Good morning. What's with your hair? Ready for breakfast? Ready for breakfast? Breakfast, breakfast, breakfast. I've been reading this book called Healthy Sleep Habits, Happy Baby. Because her nights, my nights, are just like so out of whack. So I just want to figure out what is going on and why is it going. So I'm reading it. So far I'm like into the 3rd chapter. I'm going on to the 4th. And so far it tells me like what to look for. At first I was really skeptical. And then the book tells me to look for signs. Because I know her usual sign is like scratching her ear. But apparently that is beyond her beginning of being sleepy. That is the end of it, like where she's like really tired and starting to get fussy. So the book tells me to watch for dip in her behavior, calmness, or easing away and just silent, quiet. Today, for her nap, I was just watching her after breakfast. I was just watching her, and there was suddenly she just stopped playing and just staring off to space. And just like a calmness to her. So at that moment, I picked her up, went into her room, changed her diaper, and put her on the sleep machine. And instantly, like 3 minutes later on the machine, she was out. I'm pretty happy that I'm reading this book. Someone's on your iPad. It's a read-along, sing-along book. I've been trying to teach her to press this button to release the ball. She's been putting her hand in here or tipping this toy over. So let's see if she understands to press this. She did it once, but that was it. So I don't know if she'll do it again. Penny, you want the ball? You gotta press the button. You want the ball? You have to press the button. Ball, the button. She goes. Penny, press the button. Press that button. Yeah, press the button. Press it. See, now your hand is stuck. Now your hand is stuck. Yeah, it's stuck. You gotta let go of the ball. Yeah. So you gotta press the button to release the balls. Yeah. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Baby. There, here. Look, you press this one. Press it. The ball comes out. Yeah. Oh, yay! Yay! Okay, now try it again. So the past 2 days, yesterday and today, I've been putting Penny in the Mamaroo to sleep. The Mamaroo is a motion swing device that rocks your baby to sleep with a white noise sound that's attached to it. Mostly her afternoon naps are 2 hours straight. Morning naps like an hour and a half. But yeah, it's been working well. Also, plus I've been reading the sleeping book. Hours, 2.5 hours. Oh my goodness. Changed it up for her. So it's blueberries and melons. So I just had to take the dogs out like this. And I don't like taking dogs out during the winter time, especially with Penny, because I gotta dress Penny, then put it in the carrier, then take the dogs out, and they gotta pee and poo, and usually when they poo, I have to pick up the poo with the bag, and it's just inches away from Penny's face. Like, I have short arms, so I don't know if you guys can judge of this, but like, yeah, this is how close she is to the poo. Especially when I'm leaning down, her head goes forward like this, so it's not good at all. No. You have to go get your milk. Okay, Penelope. We're gonna go to bed early tonight. Early as in 7:30. Half an hour earlier. Just to see how it goes. Bye. Good night.
La 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 la, la la. Oh, oh, oh. La 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 la, la